Okay, Johannes, my friend from Aventura, is recommending me this cafe that I can work on here in Secure Island. So I'm in Secure Island right now, and I need to work to do on something, and that's where I'm going. So the name of the cafe, I'm going to show it to you later. Sa kuan ra? Cafe Villas ra? So they're closed actually. They're only open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. My every day, no? Walay Sunday. Naray Sunday. Okay. So close. So kuya, ato ta sa libro. Luna Libro. Oh, Kuya Ding, oh. We're looking for the Luna Libro Cafe because White Vela is closed. White Vela Cafe and Gallery is closed. So we're looking for the Luna Libro Cafe. The Luna Libro Cafe is the one that I saw from Ana Sabu on one of his reels, one of his posts, one of her posts rather. And right now I'm here with Kuya Ding, who is also looking for that place because I think it's relatively new. So we'll see. Obviously we can find it. It's just along the highway here in Siquijor, San Juan in Siquijor. So that is Luna Libro Cafe. Okay, so here's Luna Libro Cafe. I'm not sure if it's new, but it's just facing Rumbar. So we're gonna come here, and here it goes. Hopefully, it's not full inside. Hopefully.